I was doing LinkedIn. I was doing Instagram. My Google business, I would say, it's a really good way.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, on property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
Where did you get the initial funds to get started with the business? About how much did you put into it? And then also, right after that, how did you manage to survive during those months where you weren't getting any customers yet?
I'm a good saver, I say. Like I told you, when I came home, I went straight to work. I'm a grinder. So what I do is I put all the energy I did into football, I put that into my business. So football is a job. People don't say it. That's why I could say after I got to like the college level, you really see how it turned into a business. You see how college turned into a business, how football turned into a business. And it actually makes you fall out of love of what you was doing, because it's now a business.
Right.
Having to wake up 5 a.m, having to go get treatment at 5:30, having to be at breakfast at 6, having to be at meetings at 7. Everything is time management. Everything is you got to be here on time. Not even on time, 2-3 minutes before you have to be in there, because the doors are going to get shut on you. And if you get the door shut on you, you got responsibility. You're going to pay for it. You feel me? So I just use all that energy and all the things that I learned and the system that I learned that I was doing my whole life with football. I just put that into business, into a business aspect, and I just go day by day, just figuring out what can I do next, and how can I elevate, and how can I get to the next level. And by doing that is by learning. And that's what I say. It's just and the way, I'm not a good learner. I don't like school. I'll tell you right now, I'm not. I if it wasn't for football, I would have never went to college.
Right.
If it wasn't for football, I'm gonna be real with you. But I had to figure out what works best for me and how can I learn. And it's not reading books, and it's not doing things like that. I want to start reading books, but my way was about videos and about what you do, channels, and once you grasp onto something, it's just there now. It's always in your face, and you just want to keep watching it, and it just gets you to that mindset, to that next level. Okay, if he could do it, I could do it. What makes you different? You feel me? What makes you different? So just putting that time and that energy into what you're doing, and you just taking it serious, and just go day by day and trying to figure out how to get to the next level. Everything else will fall into place.
That's what's up, man. So now I try to ask these questions in a way so that somebody brand new watching that's trying to get into this industry can take so many nuggets. And I'm sure they already got a lot from you, because you've been dropping them as we've been going the whole time. So one of the questions I asked was, I was trying to get like your secret to getting customers. So you started off with subcontracting, then you moved on to getting your own. And he said one of your secrets was using my lead generation service. So now what I'm wondering is,
that was now
right.
I'm using lead generation. Before I was LinkedIn. I was doing Instagram. What I would do, I have I would say, make sure your Instagram, like I'm building my pages, I'm building my Facebook page, I'm building my LinkedIn page and things like that. So what I do, I follow companies, I follow other people that's business owners that, hey, everybody needs cleaning. So what I do, I use that same script that I use for everybody, and I copy and paste and send it to everybody I follow. Boom, boom, boom. It's a numbers game. Out of 100 probably people that you send, hey, my name is Brandon, I just started a cleaning service, I'm in your area, boom, 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 whatever, however you want to do it. Out of 100, at least one got to hit. And out of that one, you got to take full responsibility of that one and take full advantage of that. And when you do that, you just got to take full of that opportunity that you get. So that's what I did. I was doing LinkedIn, I was doing Instagram, my Google business. I would say it's a really good way to get customers. Google, and I say that just be active, active, post, keep posting once a month. Show what before and afters, what you're doing. because what Google wants to see, Google just wants to see that you're an active business. And that's how you're gonna keep going and get into the number 1 or the number 2, where when people type in commercial cleaning in their area, you popping up. And it took time, and I had to learn that by months and months of not knowing that, and to get that Google Google My Business is a really good way to get customers and things like that. And just LinkedIn, Instagram, word of mouth, just doing a good job, just telling people, hey, if you know somebody that need cleaning, let them know that I have a cleaning company. And like what you said, a small what is it? Closed mouth don't get fed.
Don't get fed. That's right.
if you have a cleaning company and nobody knows about you, you really don't have a cleaning company.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it.